Welcome to 30 days of yoga. This challenge, we're going to move through 30 days together. Every day there's a 5-minute video. So you're going to feel a lot more confident in your yoga practice, whether that's at home or in a studio. And whether you're a beginner or you're just keen to learn a little bit more about each move, just a little breakdown. So over the 30 days, you'll be learning the basics, from breathing to moving to perhaps getting a little bit more into your flow, a little bit fiery, and then we'll take it back down again, just like a natural progression of a class. So before we start moving the body, we're going to tap into the breath, into our pranayama. Now the breath is the building blocks to our yoga practice. Without this, there's not much else. So we're going to start with the breath. So just come to a cross-legged position. If this feels a little too strong, just come to sit a little higher, either on a brick or a blanket or something soft and comfy. And just roll the shoulders, bring the hands down. And now bring your right hand to your belly, close down the eyes. So we're just going to start to breathe, very simply. And people say, I know how to breathe, I do it every day. Which is true, you do. So just start to tap into your breath now. Just acknowledge it, notice it. And just pay attention to if it is shallow or deep. Naturally where it's lying in the body. So maybe it's staying in the chest or maybe it's in the belly. And can you now start to invite a little bit more depth? So with each inhale, your belly starts to just press into your hand. And with each exhale, your navel, your belly button starts to draw in towards the spine, and you just start to feel a little contraction with each exhale. And we're going to start to take a big inhale through the nose. And on your exhale, simply open the mouth and sigh the breath out. Feel your belly button drawing in. Take one more together. Inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. Yeah, lovely. Now just bring your hand in front of your face. We're going to start to get into a breath called Ujjayi breath, which is a victorious breath. And it's this breath that keeps the fire going in the body, keeps the energy, rather than just releasing the breath, releasing the energy. This is going to guide our practice. And whenever anything gets too strong, simply come back to this breath. So we're going to learn it together. Hand in front of the face. Take a big inhale. And on your exhale, sigh the breath out and blow the breath into your hand as if you're fogging up a mirror. And you can feel that heat coming out. That's the energy we want to keep in, lock in the body, that fire in the body. The navel, you'll notice, is really drawing in towards the spine. You've got energy in the belly. Take another breath, inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. Nice. Now bring the hand all the way back down. This time we're going to do that again, but I want you to close the mouth, and we're just going to start breathing in and out through the nose with this same fire in the belly. So that same contraction and that same almost constriction on the back of the throat, closing the back of the throat, this oceanic wave washing over the throat. So take an inhale through the nose and an exhale through the nose. Feel that fire in the belly. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. So just start to breathe a little deeper into that breath. Play around with it. It's a little bit weird at first, but it sounds a little bit like the ocean washing over the back of your throat. So you can stick with this breath for as long as you want to today. This is the breath we'll be using all throughout our practice, all throughout our 30 days. The breath is yours. It's there for you whenever. So play with it, tap into it, and just enjoy it. And I shall see you tomorrow as we start to move the body and get into those nitty-gritty basic poses, the foundations of our yoga. Namaste.